Hello and welcome to the Digidev channel. I'm Ali and today we are diving into the fascinating world of computer networking. Whether you're a total beginner or looking to refresh your knowledge, this series is here to demystify networking and get you on the path to becoming a networking pro. So, what exactly is networking? At its core, networking is about connecting computers and devices to share information. Think about it as a digital highway that allows data to travel from one point to another. Imagine you're sending an email, streaming a video, or browsing your favorite website. All of that is made possible by computer networks. But how does it all work? That's what we're here to explore. We will start with the basics. In this series, we will cover everything from the fundamentals building blocks of networking to advanced concepts. We will unravel the mysteries of protocols, decode the OSI model, and explore the backbone of the internet, which is IP addresses. Now, don't worry if these terms sound like alphabet soup right now. Our goal is to make this series as beginner-friendly as possible. No heavy lectures here. We will break it down step by step. So if you're curious about how the internet works, eager to set up your home network, or just want to impress your friends with your newfound networking knowledge, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Thanks for joining us today. I'm Ali, and remember, networking doesn't have to be intimidating. Stay curious, stay connected, and I will catch you in the next video as we continue to demystify networking. Until then, happy learning.